Happy morning, children. We will solve practice set 6.2 question number 1, where you have been given find the median of the number of hours they work. They work means the workers they work. We have to find the median. Daily number of hours, as you can see. Daily number of hours, this is classes. And number of workers, this is frequency. So, the first step to find the median is you have to prepare a table containing 3 columns 1, 2, 3. Now what you will do, in the first you will write class. So I have already copied from here. Number of workers is your frequency. This I have to write. 150 is the first. Second, 500. Third, 300. And fourth, 50. Now I explained you all how to find cumulative frequency less than time. What we have to do? Cumulative frequency less than time, to find this, what we have to do? First frequency 150, write it as it is. After that, to this 150. Now for this we have to find the cumulative frequency to the previous frequency. Add 500. 150 plus 500. If you have understood, there is no need to write like this. 150 plus 500 like that. 150 plus 500 will give you 650. Now to 650 we will add 300. 650 plus 300 is equal to 950. Now to 950 I have to add this 50, which is equal to 1000. This way you will complete the table containing 3 columns. This too will be given to you in exam, and you also have to check whether the classes are continuous. Continuous means just check. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. This is the simplest way to find. So the classes are continuous, so no need to change. Frequency will be given to you, and cumulative frequency. First frequency, write it as it is, and then keep on adding like this, the way I showed you. Now by using the formula, we will find the median. Median formula is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into h. Now to find the median, the first step will be, we should know the total frequency. Now total frequency, how you will find this? This comes to 1000. See here, 500, 800, then 950 plus 50, that is 1000. So we are denoting it as summation Fi. Summation Fi is nothing but n, which is equal to 1000. This we have done. Now what we have to do to find the median? We have already discussed the concept of meaning of the median. To find the median, first step, all I have explained your. Second step, to find summation Fi, n is equal to 1000. After completing this quickly, the last number should match, that is the total frequency, n is. Now what you will do, you will divide the total frequency n. So n we got 1000 total frequency. The next step will be divide n by 2. You will get 1000 upon 2 is 500. Now cumulative frequency, which is just greater than 500. Now n by 2. Now median example I told you what is the meaning of median. For very simple ungrouped data, it is so easy to find the median just by ascending order, and the number which is in the middle, that number is the median. But here, because we are having grouped data, exact median, to find it we need to work at it, we have to use the formula. Now here you tell me, median means that score should be in the middle position. Now how many total scores are there means number of workers, and class here is daily number of hours they are working. So we are actually finding the median of the number of hours the workers are daily working. That median we have to find the score which is going to come in the middle position. So where we will get that answer? What is your common sense telling? Here number of workers are 1000, right? So we are dividing it by 2, so we are getting 500. So 500th worker, right? 500th worker will come in which class, so that you can find the median. See, here already 150 are there, right? And 500th worker will not come in this class. That is the common sense. Then here how many are there? 500. 500 plus 150, that is 650. So here the number of workers are 500 and plus the remaining one 150. So 150 plus 500 is going to give you 650. So here 650, this cumulative frequency comes closer to 500, right? So cumulative frequency which is just great, see the word is given, it is just greater than 500. So very important, n by 2. Unless and until you know n by 2, you will not be able to find the median. So you have to find the cumulative frequency which is closer to 500, but it should be greater than 500. Okay, so what it is? 650. So I will write here, which is just greater than 500 is 650. Okay, now the corresponding class. Now here 650 we are getting. So our median is here, right? So in this class is our median 10 to 12. So that the corresponding class 10 to 12 is our median class. That if you understand, then it is very easy. Okay. So this is our median class, and related to median class, now this terms also we need to discuss here. L is the lower boundary of the median class. So our median class we have found. So lower boundary means L will be what? This is the lower boundary means lower class limit. L is 10. Okay. And here next is what? N total frequency, this we have already done. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So now here this is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. 10 to 12 is your median class. Okay, preceding means before. So this 150 is your cumulative frequency. See the word is given, preceding the median class. 10 to 12 is the median class, preceding it. So cumulative frequency will be 150 and L will be 10, lower class limit. What is the term given? Lower boundary of the median class. Okay, if you want I will write it down here. 10. N total frequency what we got? 1000. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, what we got here? 150. And frequency of the median class. frequency of the median class is, this is the median class, here 500, this is F. This is the frequency of the median class, F. F is equal to 500. Half of marks are given in the board exam for writing each and every value. So this F is our 500. Then H is equal to width. Width means what? We learnt in 9th standard, class width or class size or class interval. These words are used. See, so I have written here, H is equal to width of the middle class, class interval of the middle class. Both the terms are used. So in your textbook they have used class interval of the middle class. So what is the middle class? Difference between upper class limit and the lower class limit. Of what? Of the middle class. See, width of the middle class means that is, the meaning is the same. So for this, upper class limit is 12. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. So what will be H? H will be 2. Okay. And then we will write here H is equal to 2. Now is there anything left which we have not written? L did, N by 2 is over, CF is over, H is over, and F is over. Now these all values you have to put in this formula and you have to solve. Now it depends whether you know to do the calculations and you can solve it or not. So now we will write formula median is equal to this formula you write and substitute the values which we have found. L was 10, so substitute 10 plus N by 2 500 minus cumulative frequency 150 upon F. F was 500. That is frequency of the median class into H, that is width is 2. Now according to Bodmar's rule, first you have to solve the bracket. 500 minus 150 is 350 upon 500 into 2. Now very simple. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 2 5s are 10, 250. So 350 upon 250 you got. Now here 53s are 57s are 350 and 55s are 250. So you will get 10 plus 7 by 5. Now you divide 7 by 5. What you will get? 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Put here decimal. 5 fours are 20. So you will get 1.4 is equal to 10 plus 1.4 is 11.4. Therefore, the median of the number of hours they work, that is the workers work daily, is 11.4. And this is what was asked. Find the median of the number of hours they work.